BBQ sign right there.
Oh yeah, get that angle,
So some interesting new things have happened at Hangtime, including a new gift shop, which is being built up.
Oh, nice.
So here is the station, and here is the new gift shop. I'm guessing it's either going to be a gift shop or a photo location. I think it's a gift shop though, because there is an entrance right here for it. So one can hope for a day when all three of these attractions are working. Oh man. Sorry, Cali Coasters was right, all four, because Coast Rider is down, but also so is Pacific Scrambler. What? Oh, Knots, you're a mess. So here's the new gift shop. It looks like this is going to be a doorway, so that's going to be very cool. Hopefully we can get some nice Hangtime merch. And then just peeking over there is the station. So here is the gift shop, here is the brake run, and here is a giant cut out of like the drywall on the side wall of Calico Mine. Wonder what they're going to use that for. There's a bird riding Hangtime before us. What is this? What? Excuse me.
I heard that was like a year ago. I wasn't here when that happened. Wow. It's beautiful.
On a clear day, there it is. You can see from here.
Yeah. What we see? Randy, what we see? What we? I see. I'm afraid to look outside.
I definitely see it.
I like what I
Shadow.
make more parking.
I heard about this. They finally put the track right here.
Yeah, I've always wanted to do that.
You know, it's ahead of schedule,
Yeah.
but now it won't release.